Hey there, if you're thinking about or currently using weight loss drugs like Wegovy, Ozempic, or Mounjaro, this video is for you. I'll share some easy and simple tips to avoid rebound weight gain, muscle loss, and the dreaded Ozempic face, which are known side effects of these drugs. Welcome to the video, where I'll be outlining essential strategies to maintain your weight loss and muscle mass while using weight loss drugs. Before you continue, make sure to watch my other video on whether these drugs are right for you. Weight loss drugs can be helpful in curbing your appetite and balancing blood sugar, which sounds great. If you're weight loss resistant, these drugs might give you the edge you need. However, we need to be cautious about potential side effects, like muscle loss and regaining weight after stopping the medication. Let's address the issue of muscle mass loss, which can negatively impact your metabolism. The muscle acts like metabolic spanks, boosting your metabolic rate and acting as a sugar sponge, aiding in blood sugar control. Losing muscle during weight loss can lead to metabolic adaptation, making it harder to maintain your weight later. To minimize muscle loss, incorporate resistance training into your routine. Work each major body part 2 to 3 times a week with 8 to 15 repetitions per set. Building muscle is vital for maintaining weight loss and supporting blood sugar control. As for diet, focus on protein, fiber from non-starchy vegetables, and healthy fats. Protein helps trigger muscle protein synthesis, while fiber aids in satiety and blood sugar stabilization. Diverse plant-based foods also support your gut microbiome, crucial for detoxification and overall health. Our goal is to avoid weight regain and muscle loss when tapering off the drugs. Keep track of your body composition with tools like DEXA scans or bioimpedance scales. Ensure you're getting enough protein, fiber, and healthy fats in your diet while staying hydrated. Supplements like creatine, urolithin A, and berberine may also help support your efforts. Remember to measure and monitor your progress diligently and stay committed to your strength building plan. If you're over 40, check out my other video on optimizing your gym time for maximum results. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you on your weight loss journey.